Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video, the third set of our answer videos for our binary, hex, and decimal practice, we're looking at converting our hex values, a given hex value to binary, and then a given binary value, and want you to be able to take it to hex, or possibly going from binary to decimal, then to hex, however you went about it. Now, we could go through this in like a raw format, but it's a lot easier for us just to create the table, right? You saw when we looked at hexadecimal, I made this table. So I've already sat down here and I've already pre-made the table out for us. So we can see our hex values down the left-hand column. In the center column, we can see our our decimal equivalents for those given hex values. And then of course the binary equivalents, a nibble of each value, of course. So 4 bits and a nibble here, the binary equivalent of each of those decimal and hex values. All right, so now it makes it a whole lot easier when we go through the conversion process. So we can turn around, we can say, well, I want the letter B here. All right, so the letter B is associates with the value 11, and the value 11 in binary can be 1011. All right, so my first value here is going to be 1011. And now I'm going to kind of leave a space like I did down here so it's easy to see the letters. An F is all ones, 1111. An E is 14, right? So we got 1110. And finally, this C value right here, 12, is 1100. 1100. All right, so there's our binary equivalent. When you have a chart like this, it makes it a lot easier. And this really isn't going to change too much for us. And you could go through the process of, again, going through like the raw conversion process in a whole number line and everything, or a number chart, if you will, of everything. But this really makes it easy. And when you're working through these conversions, over time, I expect that you'll be able to, pick up on these a lot faster, maybe the hexadecimal conversions or whatever you're working on. But you can take each value here in the hex, so the 0 through 9, A through F, and break it down one individual digit or one position at a single point in time, all right? So we can just solve for B and just F, E, C, and it is slow and methodical. It's not the fastest way to go about it, but you will, it does break it down to a much simpler format, okay? So, if we know how to go from using this chart, we can go from a hex value over to a binary one, okay? Let's go from a binary back to a hex, all right? So we have a binary value of 1100, all right? And we could literally find ourselves on this chart here, and 1100 links up with C over here. So my first value is C. 1010 comes up with 10, which is A. All right, all ones is F down there. And we actually saw E over here, which is the same. All right, so if you found out the code, like the secret message, if you will, our binary value of 1100, 1010, 1111, 1110 in hexadecimal, that binary value in hexadecimal turns out to be the word cafe. All right, so that wraps it up for this video. And in the next set of videos, we'll be taking another step forward into looking at some of the background and the structure of IPv4 addresses. I'll see you guys in the next one.